How can you know the atomic mass of an unknown metal if you know its density and the dimension of its unit cell? Explain. The lovely NCERT stuff. They've eaten away one part. Truth is, you cannot determine the atomic mass from only this. You also need to have an additional information. What is the crystal structure? Or how many atoms or how many units are present within a given unit cell? But assuming this is standard NCERT style, let's not ruin it too much. So the way we do it is this. See, density by nature is called mass by volume, right? Now, we can use this formula for unit cell also. Density of a given substance is same as density of its unit cell if it is crystalline. And a unit cell, that means mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Now, what is mass of unit cell? Now, mass of unit cell would be, we say it is Z into atomic mass by Na. What is this? Atomic mass is mass of 1 mole of atoms. So divided by Na would give you the mass of a single atom. So this is the mass of a single atom, and Z is number of atoms in a unit cell. For example, in simple cubic structure, Z is equal to 1. In BCC, Z is equal to 2. In FCC, Z is equal to 4. So there are different cases, right? But we can figure out, once we know what is the crystal structure, we get the value of Z. So this is the mass of atoms present in one unit cell divided by volume of one unit cell, and I am writing A cube because I am assuming this is a cubic unit cell. It could have been hexagonal. In this case, the formula would have changed. Mass by volume is the same, but A cube. Now, volume of hexagon is not A cube, obviously. This is only the volume of cube, where A is the edge length. A is the edge length. You could say that, is this applicable only for cubic? Well, even if it is hexagonal, I am sure, see, I am given dimension of its unit cell. If I know the dimensions of unit cell, I can always find out the volume. I can divide by volume. That is not a problem. So I know the volume. I am given the volume. I am also given the density. So if I am given density and volume, can I not find the mass of a unit cell? So I am getting the mass of a unit cell as its volume into density. And this is also equal to Z into A upon Na. I know this, I know this, I know Avogadro's number. So can I determine atomic mass A? Yes, but there is a small catch. You should know Z. Z has not been mentioned in NCERT question, but this being NCERT, we are open to some modifications because they leave out and eat away half the data. It's okay. So they have assumed that we know Z. If we don't know Z, then you won't be able to find. So we have to know Z, but assuming that since we know the dimensions of unit cell, maybe we also, there's no logic, but we should also be knowing Z, the nature of crystal structure. If we have this information from this formula, we can substitute and find the value of atomic